I found you passing by in cold December. Lost in view.
Bits is everything. In fact, I had been student of Bits Pilani.
BITS is much more than just engineering college.
BITS Pilani, tremendous shaping experience.
It truly shaped me because it empowered me to choose and decide my path of future paths.
I spent about, I think, 60 days on campus. Good memories.
When you're in BITS. So it's pretty simple. Don't think too much. Don't think far too long.
One thing that BITS gives you is exposure to the right kind of people.
BITS was like a first college I entered. I think amazing friends that I made. It's still a memory. I think 4 years was crazy, a lot of fun.
I loved a few things about Pilani. It is a culture. It is the zero attendance policy. It is all about having fun with your friends.
So BITS has really shaped up my personality and my whole life.
BITS for me is camaraderie.
Dynamic, passion.
Confidence.
Showcase.
Go get.
मुझसे तू प्यार बता कि मैं एक बादल आवारा ऐसी सहार करूं कि मैं खुद बेघर हो जाऊं इसलिए तुझसे मैं प्यार करूं कि तू एक बादल आवारा जन्म जन्म से I did a lot of music nights now. So my musical memories are very powerful, very strong. And when I come here, I see big auditoriums and see people. I have all the music night memories, first of all. And then talking with people the same language which we student BITS, Lacha, Hazar, OHT. When those words come up, so we feel again like a BITSian.
It's all about all the extracurriculars that we did. I was very active in the dance workshop, the Western classical dancing that I learned on the campus. Then I was very active in the theatre. So we did a street play and we went to Roorkee, which won our second prize in the festival, Kamso 88 festival. So those are some of my fondest memories of the campus.
Yeah, so what happened when I was running Vani, we used to print that magazine outside the campus in Pilani. So we were getting some funds from Students Union. So that printer suggested, you are doing a great service to Hindi. Why don't you write to Mr. KK Birla directly and ask for some donation, some funding from him directly? I didn't consult anyone. On the Hindi press club letterhead, he told me that time Mr. KK Birla was member of parliament in Delhi. So I sent him a letter and I just forgot that please give us some money. So I went to meet, I think, the South Indian, he was the director that time. I said, what is the issue? He said, Anupam, you wrote to Mr. KK Birla. Did you ask us? So he responded. He wrote to the director, Mr. Birla. His response came that if they need some money, why don't you support them? So he doesn't want to fund me directly.
Well, I think some of the fondest memories are in the night after 11 or 12. In my second year, we were in Gandhi Bhavan. तो फ्रंट विंग में थे हम लोग. तो साइड विंग का जो लास्ट रूम होता है ना, उसके विंडो से कूद के हम बाहर जाते थे बिकॉज वो लंबा रास्ता पड़ता था. So you go to the last guy's room, you open the window, you jump out of the room, and then you go to Ankh and sit there without a deadline until Ankh closes.
So I was caught in the last semester. I was drinking. So last Senti Grub. So me and 3-4 of us went. I think 2 hours. I had a bottle and a half neat of Old Monk.
Oh, okay.
And I was coming back, and 2 guys are holding me like Manu and Abha. So I was in the middle, and suddenly V.S. Rao and S.K. Arya, both the deans, come in, and these 2 guys left me alone. I couldn't do anything. I just fell flat on the face. I fell flat. I used to wear glasses then. The glasses went and broke and went to my eyes and things like that. So it is crazy. And then, however, since I was part of all these presidential visits and things like that, V.S. Rao basically said, like, look, what's wrong with you? I said, no, sir, I had 2 pegs. First time I was trying. So the warden there said, do you smoke? they said, no, I don't smoke. So they actually lit a cigarette and asked me to smoke them. So it was funny, but those are the things. But now when you think about it, you look at it as stupid, but fun days. I still call it the best period of my life, 88, 92, Eid holiday.
पास में फोर्ट होता था which was slightly भूतिया, तो हम लोग एक दिन वहाँ पे रात गुजार के आए थे और वहाँ बॉनफायर करके सब लोग भूतों की स्टोरी सुना रहे हैं. That was crazy and it was cold.
And my father would be, is Professor Nagrat, he would be writing his books sitting in the sun. And as he would come in, so to meet me, my father would ask him, all right, Pankaj, why don't you help me solve this problem? And he'll tell the rest of the story.
Yeah, that was a tricky thing. So I used to avoid him when he is there. But yeah, so once he asked me, he was doing a appendix for a book where he was doing questions and then solving them. So he said, Pankaj, try this problem.
One time I was the secretary of the student union, and I was also editor of a campus newspaper called Bitspeed, which I founded with some friends. And that was in 1964. That was the year in which Bits was founded, and in fact, in the second issue of Bits Beat, which is the campus newspaper, I interviewed Mr. G.D. Birla.
Maybe I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again. I'm falling in love again.
So we are batchmates, and I still remember meeting him on one of my friends, my batchmate's birthday outside Mira Bhavan. And we got introduced and we were just friends.
Yeah, and we attended, we both were doing in our first year the Gen Bio class, and we were in there together. That's where we kind of saw each other, or at least I saw her. And then we met.
Then we met, and he was in Vyas Bhavan.
Yeah.
And we used to have this Mira Vyas TT tournament.
Yeah.
And I didn't know even ABCD of TT.
So I made her my partner, and with that excuse taught her how to play TT. So we spent some time
at that time.
Process.
Yeah.
And then we played TT. I think we won second, third, whatever it was, but it was more for the fun of it.
Yeah.
And then our group, our collective group from her side, from our batch, the girls and boys, about 10, 12 of us, we used to hang around together.
Yeah.
In Skylab and in all these. So we kind of became quite good friends.
People would always stand in the fourth year.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh.
And then I remember like me and R. Sukumar, who
Yes, I remember. Yes.
who's the HT editor now. We were reading the Constitution, and it never said anywhere it was fourth year. It would be third or fourth year. And so when you were so essentially like the dual people like myself in the fourth year, half the class would leave, like the 4-year people would leave. So then we figured like, why not just stand in the third year?
Yes.
And
We started a trend.
yeah, and
It's been the same.
yeah, so that was the first time the third year person stood. And
Common room, Raj.
Trying to put this on social media.
And we also got the chance to go to hit Mira Bhavan. Bosom also started during our times.
So both of you guys were involved in setting of Ank.
He was the guy who set up Ank. I kind of just helped to increase the size and shape of it.
So just one quick question. What was your attendance in college?
Almost zero.
At that time, the President of India, Mr. R. Venkatraman had come. So I had coordinated that show also. I used to quiz a lot. So I was brain of bits. I won that completely drunk on stage.
Is there anyone who had a DC case on him here?
Multiple guys.
So NBC, which is the New Venture Creation course, for students across campuses. It's an open elective. Students can come to apply for the course. They apply in the summer itself, and when the course is going to start in August, they can apply with an idea. If they're working on a startup, well and good. We screen the ideas and we select teams. We select around 20 ideas per semester. Each of the ideas is taken through the modules of the course, which are the building blocks of doing a startup. We give each of the teams a mentor, a dedicated mentor, and that is an alumni mentor. Since the last 5-6 years, we tied up with the Silicon Valley chapter, so we mostly get mentors from there. The speakers are alumni founders. Some of them are also non-alumni founders. Like, I'm happy to share a couple of nice examples. In 2013, we had the founder of Practo as one of the speakers.
Yes, so I would just say that students should rely more on professors, should look up to them. The professors should make their classes of that much relevance that students will definitely come.
Main thing is follow your heart and look for a job which satisfies your soul.
You have to be happy and make friends. Make friends because that's what sustains you through life.
Enjoy your life. Live every moment. This time will not come back. Don't take too much of tension about the grades and courses. Have fun. Whatever you are doing now, enjoy that time. Don't worry too much also about the future. Everything is kind of taken care with the time automatically on its own.
BITS is a fantastic place. It's beautiful. Make the most of it while you're there. Making the most means trying many things, taking risks. It means meeting all kinds of different people. And it means using the time that you have to try different things. Don't take things too seriously. Focus on hanging out with people who inspire you. It could be seniors, it could be professors, it could be people visiting. And just enjoy this time.
The BITSian ecosystem and the BITS curriculum is the biggest safety net you'll ever find. See, a job is out there for you whenever you want it. Try to figure out what you want to do in life. Experiment at least 2-3 times over. Try building a couple of things. Build good friends. Build good relationships.
I think 4 साल बहुत टाइम है आपके पास. बहुत चीजें ट्राई करके देख सकते हो. Don't worry about getting fail or rejection or anything. ट्राई करके देखो, हो गया तो कुछ सीख जाओगे, नहीं तो नहीं हुआ तब भी सीख जाओगे कुछ.
I think get your basics straight, get your vision straight, and then you will need to be very, very convinced and a lot of hard work. But I think if someone were to ask me that after being an entrepreneur all my life, would I have chosen doing a job again? Maybe never.
Just keep the culture going, man. Hopefully I want to come back. At some point I want to come back and see a poll. It's been a long time. I heard about it.
Whenever you're taking a decision, you need a lot of clarity, and obviously you are bound to make mistakes. You have to keep trying. But when you have alumni in like various set of sectors, then you can get that clarity easily.
Focus on what you're doing, right? And do it with passion, right? And do not assume that you have to become an expert during your learning phase, because reskilling is a constant. You have to build relationships and an aptitude to be able to grasp new things. If you have these 2 qualities and the right attitude, you will conquer anything.
So to young people, I would say take your first term and first year of studies most seriously. By then you will have discovered yourself and you can pace yourself better to do what you think is best for you.
नहीं बस